Hi friends, welcome to KidsJinia. Most of you are seeing our videos without subscribing our channel. The humble request to our viewers is, please subscribe our channel and see our videos. The more subscriptions will motivate us. Thank you. Let's go to our today's video.
Siddharth, today we are going to do addition and play an interesting Scramble word game. Are you ready, Siddharth?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, first do the addition part and then I will explain the word game. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
Come on, start the game.
1, 2, 3. Mom, the answer is 3. There are 3 letters.
Very good, Siddharth. Super. Now, here is a clue in the image for you. The letters are jumbled. You have to arrange the letters in the correct order and find the exact word. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
Come on, Siddharth. Arrange the word.
Mom, the word is sun. The image is sun.
Very good, Siddharth. Super. Now let's go for the next one.
I'll make addition. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mom, the answer is 4.
Okay, Siddharth, it is correct. Now here is a clue in the image. Find the word.
Yes, Mom. If you want to purchase this product, please check the link given in the description. Mom, it's kite. K-I-T-E, kite.
Very good, Siddharth.
Now I am going to make addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mom, the answer is 5. There are 5 letters.
Correct, Siddharth. Now find the word.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom, I did it. It's a house.
Good, Siddharth. Very good. Go with the next one, Siddharth.
Yes,
Do
Mom.
addition.
Yes, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mom, the answer is 6. There are 6 letters.
Good, Siddharth. Now find the word.
Yes, Mom.
Image is a clue for you.
Yes, Mom. Mom, it's a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey.
Super, Siddharth. Make addition, Siddharth.
Yes, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mom, the answer is 7. There are 7 letters.
Very good, Siddharth. Using the clue, find the word.
Yes, Mom. Mom, the answer is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe.
Super, Siddharth. Very good, very good. Do the addition, Siddharth.
Yes, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mom, the answer is 8. There are 8 letters.
Yes, Siddharth, you are correct. Then now find the word.
Yes, Mom. Mom, I have done it. The answer is umbrella. UMBRELLA. Umbrella.
Super, Siddharth. Good. Do the addition, Siddharth.
Yes, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mom, the answer is 9. There are 9 letters.
Very good, Siddharth. Now find the word.
Yes, Mom. Mom, the answer is sunflower. SUNFLOWER. Sunflower.
Brilliant, Siddharth. Good.
Friends, did you enjoy this play? Have fun. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.